Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today's video is a meal prep with me video. In this video, I will be cooking some vegetables and some meat as a meal prep for the start of the week. And basically, I'm going to cook each item and just put it in a separate container because throughout the first couple of days of the week, I can either make me a meal from what I'm going to cook, or I can just eat the items together for like lunch, dinner, or a snack, just however I want to put the combinations together. I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, my chat partners, so now I am going to make some egg muffins or egg bites. And guys, the great thing about egg muffins or egg bites is that you can eat them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as a snack. And you can put whatever ingredients you want into your egg muffins. Now I am making some turkey meatballs. Turkey meatballs are good for a snack, for lunch, or for dinner. And the good thing about turkey meatballs is you can actually take them with you on the go in case you go out and about and run errands and you want you a quick little lunch. Or you can pair them with other food items. As you guys can see, I made asparagus and radishes, so I can either eat the turkey meatballs by themselves or I can pair it with the radishes and asparagus for a great healthy dinner. So now I am cutting up some fresh tomatoes and I'm going to add my own seasonings to it to make me a tomato base to go on top of my turkey meatballs. And guys, like I always say, fresh is best. And the reason why I made this tomato base to go on top of my meatballs instead of using a can of tomato paste or tomato sauce in the jar, I just want to be mindful of what I'm eating. And to me, this is the healthier version. Okay, my chat partners, we have come to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. If you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. Guys, I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.